Hello dear friends, today I am going to show you how to install a ceiling fan. Uh, you can see here, first of all we have to make the connections of neutral and phase wire. Be careful and tight the connections. After making proper connections, we have to fix the bottom canopy. You can see here we have to be careful. After fixing bottom canopy in the rod, now you have to fix the top canopy in the rod. So in this way you have to connect these two canopies in the proper direction. Now we have to connect the fan blades. Tight the screws of these blades properly and do not keep them loose. Here you have to be very careful. Fix this rod upright properly, otherwise your fan will vibrate and make very much noise. After completing this work, take a round sheet. Now hang your fan with the hanger clamp to the fan junction and have a try. Yes friends, they work properly without any vibration or noise.